Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to change your Toyota Camry oil. First, gather your essential tools: a 13mm wrench, an oil filter wrench, and a drain pan. You'll also need about 4½ quarts of new 5W20 oil and a new oil filter. Park your Camry on a level surface and let the engine cool for at least 30 minutes. Then, safely raise the front of your vehicle using a jack and secure it with jack stands. Now, let's get rid of that old oil. Slide under your Camry and locate the oil drain plug on the bottom of the oil pan. Position your drain pan directly beneath it. Using your 13mm wrench, carefully loosen and remove the drain plug. Be ready for the oil to flow out quickly. Let it drain completely, which usually takes about 10 to 15 minutes, ensuring all the old, dirty oil is out. With the old oil draining, it's time to replace the oil filter. Locate the old filter, usually on the front or side of the engine block. Use your oil filter wrench to loosen and remove it, being mindful of any residual oil. Before installing the new filter, apply a thin layer of fresh oil to its rubber gasket. This ensures a good seal. Hand tighten the new filter until it's snug, then give it an additional 3/4 of a turn. Once the old oil is fully drained, reinstall the drain plug and tighten it securely, but avoid over-tightening. Carefully lower your Camry off the jack stands. Now, open the oil fill cap and pour in approximately 4½ quarts of new 5W20 engine oil. Start the engine for a minute, then turn it off. Wait a few minutes, then check the oil level with the dipstick and look for any leaks.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.